recording. It's a little bit blurry, but it's gonna work.
Okay.
Hold up.
I
I got an hour, so I
want
can.
you to know I want to see advantage. Put your hearing stuff in.
Hold on.
Are you filming right now?
Yeah.
Okay, Anthony's getting ready to kill Mr. Teddy Bear. Let's go get a look at Teddy Bear before then, guys. This is pre-12 gauge Teddy Bear.
Before Teddy Bear.
There he is.
Doesn't matter. It's part of the game. Much safety. I mean, just take all safety to kill me. I mean, safeties don't work. Okay. You ready?
It is time. Hold on, let me cover up my ears.
We're about one step back. Get back. Right to center of his body.
Hold on.
Is everybody?
Not yet. Alright, go.
Go, Anthony. One shot.
Don't mess it up.
Oh, he won't. All right, I'm doing it.
Go.
Say goodbye, Teddy Bear.
Oh!
Ah! Yeah!
Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on. After. Here.
Oh my God!
Hey, Dad, look. Dad, look. Zach just mounted his head up on the wall.
There's part of his leg.
Dad, let me see. I'm gonna go show them.
There's some of his fluff.
I don't want to see.
Hold on. Show me his body. Show me his body. Hold up his head. There's the remainder of his body.
Hold on, I gotta take a picture of this.
With a 12 gauge.
I want to shoot the hand.
Hold on, I want to take a picture of this real quick.
Okay.
Check that out.
Hold on.
Where's the ground? I mean, listen. Hold on. Stop, guys.
Oh my God!
There's some of his fluff.
Dad, look, leg.
Yeah.
But I mean,
Here's some of the beer cans we've been shooting today.
seriously.
There we go. That's a beer can.
Oh my God! Jeffrey,
Here's my beer can.
it's not with freaking rabbit.
Alright, hurry up.
All right.
Oh my God.
Anyways, so this thing.
Okay,
In other words, what I'm getting at is what you all would see is that with a choke on this thing, it would.
there's the new setup.
Oh,
Okay, look. This close.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on.
Hold on.
I don't care. Jeffrey,
Tell me when you're ready.
Hold on. Okay, I'm ready. Second shot. Yeah!
That was awesome.
Holy crap, there's all this fluff again.
It's hot. Feel it. It's warm.
Oh, it is, isn't it? Where's his hand? Where's his hand? That's what his
Oh my gosh!
What's his hand?
There's his head. So here's his nose.
I'm gonna try to find his eyes. Oh my God, you blew his eyes
There's
out.
his nose.
I'm not even kidding. His eye socket right there is eye socket.
Alright.